Hello, today's native plant is our kangaroo apple. So it is Solanum aviculare and it grows all around the eastern coast of Australia, and it also grows in New Zealand. In New Zealand it's called poro. And yeah, it's a Solanum, so it's part of the nightshade family, which is the Solanaceae family, very poisonous family. All parts of this plant that's green is poisonous, and there's a steroid, an alkaloid inside it that they're using in pharmaceutical research for contraceptive. But this one, you can eat these fruit. You probably want to get ones that are a bit more ripe. Like this one looks pretty good. And if you bust that open, you see it's pretty juicy, lots of little seeds. It tastes quite poisonous. But yeah, this is a really good bush regeneration plant because they grow in these sort of rainforesty, eucalypt forest areas, and they only get to 2 to 4 meters, live for about 5 years, and they'll die out, and they're sort of a nurse crop to get other things up through them. They're also very important for small birds and mammals. They love to come and eat these. And actually the species name aviculare means small bird, so I guess that's in reference to small birds eating the fruit. As for identification, the leaves, when they get a bit older, they're kind of entire and long. But when you get some younger leaves that I can't see here, oh yeah, here's one. You get them quite distinctively lobed. So they have these little wings, I guess. Looks like a little, and yeah, pretty easy to identify. Probably don't eat any Solanum fruit unless you know what it is. And I'll just show you the flower too, because this one, surprisingly, is still in flower. So it's a classic Solanum flower. Looks like the same flower you'd find on an eggplant or a tomato. And one interesting thing is these are actually pollinated by bees, but it's called buzz pollination. So a little bee will come along, especially our blue-banded bees, and they fly over it, and the beating of their wings is at a resonant frequency that will make these flowers release their pollen. So there's a bzzz, and then all the pollen gets released. So that's quite cool. So very specific niche there with their pollination. But yeah, if you can get your hands on them and you live in southeast Queensland, worth growing in your sort of margins. And as you can see here, this whole area was lantana, and it's all starting to regenerate really well. And this is just one of the species that really helps with that regeneration. So yeah, that's your kangaroo apple. All the best.